In the past, the role of dentures has been instrumental in restoring smiles as well as functionality for people who are missing their teeth. The development of dentures is an intriguing experience that spans a long time through ancient cultures and modern advancements in technology. In this clip, we'll look at the roots of dentures and how they've developed into our tooth replacements of now. Ancient civilizations were among those pioneers to explore teeth replacement strategies. Archaeological discoveries have revealed evidence of early dentures constructed from material like animal teeth, ivory, and even bone. Dentures made in the early days were typically difficult to wear and unfitting, yet they did their job for helping people eat and communicate. The most well-known dental restorations from ancient times is the one worn by George Washington. The president who was the first president of the United States famously wore dentures composed of human, cow, and horse tooth, along with ivory. Contrary to popular opinion, the Washington's dentures weren't composed of wood. However, they were made of a much more durable and natural material. Dentistry's field was evolving and developed, so did the methods and materials that were used to fabricate dentures. In the 19th century, the discovery that vulcanized rubber was invented revolutionized the procedure of making dentures. This enabled greater comfort and durability of dentures to be produced and improved the standard of living for patients in need of denture replacements. The development of acrylic resins in the beginning of 20th century made dentures more attractive and durable. Of dentures. This material was able to allow dentures to be made to suit the individual's mouth, decreasing discomfort and increasing efficiency. The advancement of denture materials makes them more real in appearance. This makes it harder for other people to discern if someone wearing dentures. The recent technological advancements have changed the process of making dentures. 3D printers and digital scanning have transformed denture production, making it possible to create more precise and efficient modifications. It has also made it simpler for dentists to make dentures that mimic natural teeth. This gives patients a natural, relaxed smile. In spite of these improvements, many patients still have challenges with regards to dental maintenance and treatment. A proper cleaning regimen and frequent dentist visits are vital to making sure that the life and efficiency of dentures. Denture wearers need to be aware of their diet, staying clear of the sticky, hard foods that may cause harm or damage to their dentures. In the end, the story of dentures can be a testimony to the tenacity and creativity of humans in finding solutions to dental issues. From the ancient world to current technological advances, dentures have developed into modern tooth replacements that increase the lives of many millions of people across the globe. While technology advances and improve, the future of dentures promises to be exciting, with more practical and comfy options coming soon.